My name is Rahul. I'm working as a Vice President at ECOEX India. Organization is purely dedicated towards to the PR sustainability, plastic sustainability, and we are currently assisting more than 300 plus brands, whether it is Reliance, Adani, Dabur, Haldiram, Huhtamaki, you just name it. We have those customers. We are providing the EPR certificates as per the Central Pollution Control Board guidelines and assisting customers across India. And at this moment, we have our own recycling unit for the PET bottles named as a BLS Protect, and we have multiple strategic collaboration and association with multiple um, plastic manufacturers association of TAPMA, or whether it is GSPMA or IPI and many more. So this is a very brief introduction. You can reach out to me. You can get my coordinates at of my website, and you can reach out to me to at 9945675274. Thank you. It's okay. Anything else I have? So thank you to Vimlesh Bhai and Anil Vennam Garu for inviting us at this event in the TAPMA, and we are very excited to be at Hyderabad and looking forward for for more strategic innovation and association with TAPMA in future. We are looking forward for it. As of now, the event is very successful, and we will keep continuing our contribution towards this exhibition. Thank you.